be that next step on my brain. Giga, I know them full of ego, but them are not nobody know. Them are not nobody.
Yes, my viewer subscriber, it's your boy Stola. We say welcome to Real Talk. Viewer subscriber, Jahmiel run out pan the Giga rhythm, dead example, and the man a fire some shot dog. He man a lick everybody meds.
Now make your little one strap fool your car, we got belly. Enough boy dead with gun pan them belly. Send a one killer come empty your jelly dog. Me no trust phone, me no chat pan silly.
Viewer subscriber, he's 16, come out and the man a lick chronic la left, right and center. Squash running and get couple of me and tell us say, yo, you think him man down there so? Viewer subscriber, me tell us say Jahmiel coming like an assassin dog, you know, play with him meds.
Oh, that Jacob, with the skelly blood I run like cat lead, bolt and shelly. Drop on your face with a cold cranberry, not even cran know your berry.
You are subscriber. You remember when Chronicler talk about the berita? And it Jahmiel make you know say dog, me no worry about your berita. Enough boy dead with gun pan them belly. Viewer subscriber, me I tell you say when every stop the war with Alkaline and the 6, me I tell you say I save him, save them. You see me? Because when Jahmiel run out, you know see say immediately every send out the voice note and the war done. But Jahmiel never done. Jahmiel come back again and Jahmiel say, hear me now dog, me I go start a war and me I go take it from Alkaline. Me I go take the whole war for myself. Because you know when Jahmiel run out and Jahmiel me tell you no, an assassin dog. Jahmiel no play. Meds.
Don't all you want, but me not take disrespect. And so me things said. So pussy go and big up on no chest.
Viewer subscriber, I saw me know say Jahmiel never done with the war. Me know say Jahmiel will still have the warrior up in her head. The man say, yo dog, talk all way you no want talk, but me no take disrespect. So if you no feel say because last year something run, and you no feel say it not done. Cause me no take threat. So when you no disrespect, me I go come for you know. Whether last year or this year or the nether year, me I go come for you know. So at that Jahmiel make you know say the war never done. That can me no take disrespect. Viewer subscriber, me I go give you a flashback for Uno for meds. Uno remember the war between Tamili and Jahmiel. Uno remember when everybody said them don't think Jahmiel can take on this warrior and what happened at the end? Man go find Tamili like a madman. So when uno hear Jahmiel say uno doubt how much uno want doubt or talk how uno want talk, because hear me now, you see when you disrespect, a madness a go come dog, cause me no want to say certain things. A madness a go come and at that the dog will let you know say yo, him don't take disrespect. So Jahmiel still have the war up in him. Meds.
Me not done from you violate me. You feel no say you're dead. Just know say you're dead. Me no give warning. Me no send threat. Catch up on your block when we go rally back. One in your head and watch your body drop. Pussy this no stick. Me got travel with the mark.
Viewer subscriber, you see the barrier where Jahmiel just jab dog? Is a wicked piece of bar. And me I go tell you now what make me say it wicked. Because right there so the man a fire shot again pan the 6. Uno know say Chronicler always a talk about squash. Uno know say squash always a talk about every day. And at that the dog a make uno know say me not have no dance. So no man can't tell me what to do. No man can't tell me when to jump or when to sit down. The dog say when me a come for you, me a come for you. When me a come for out you, me a come for out you. When me a come for turn you in a dopey, me a come for turn you in a dopey, and no man can't tell me say me not for do that. And at that the dog are telling us so when me telling us say Jahmiel a wicked artist, Jahmiel a make you know say when him rally back dog,
make mad afraid fi come with a body back. The last boy running, them blood run out. One bag a gun out, dark like no sun out. Fine boy dead mouth, hope me with tongue out. He made post body gas up and pun out.
What the fuck?
The last boy running, them blood run out. One bag a gun out, dark like no sun out. Fine boy dead mouth, hope me with tongue out. He made post body gas up and pun out. Pussy.
Viewer subscriber, you see that tune ya? That tune ya say war. That tune ya built for war. The man said the last boy will run in get robbed out. And you know say the last person will run up on Jahmiel at Tamile. And Jahmiel make you know say him get robbed out. But here where Jahmiel say, me not have to wait for you to go nowhere, dog. Me will come and your hands come rub you out. And me a rub out 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of your boy them with you. A dog say, hear me now. Boy run in and get rubbed out. Gunshot bore him up till all blood a run out. Madden get confused and don't know whether them fi bring a bag or a shovel come pick you up, dog. Viewer subscriber, when me tell you no say Jahmiel a dancehall assassin, dog. You no can play with Jahmiel, that dog ya wicked. And when me tell you no say that dog ya wicked, me mean him wicked. You no da play with Jahmiel, dog. Meds.
Don't all you want, but me not take disrespect. I know some things said. So pussy go and big up on no chest.
Viewer subscriber, me have to laugh ya sucker. Jahmiel no easy, dog. Saying Jahmiel said doubt if you no want doubt, but me not take disrespect, dog. Viewer subscriber, big woman thing now. Jahmiel I make them know say hear me now. The truth me sing some conscious song. The truth me sing some little girl song. When it come to the war, dog, me a assassin. I kill me come fi kill. A them thing that Jahmiel say. So Jahmiel say, yo, make sure you know dog, cause me give you your warning. Meds.
Kill all of your friends and you. Also we set the example. Spear town, how we take him a dando. Put it time friend uncle.
Viewer subscriber, when you listen to that barrier where Jahmiel just jump, you don't know how dangerous Jahmiel is. Jahmiel a murderer. The man say, hear me now, me a go kill your friend and you. So me a go set an example for anybody else who want run in. Me a go make them know, say, here what me a go do with your head. Me a go chop it off and me a go put it right at your friend ankle. Just to make a statement, say, any other boy else who want run in, remember what happen to them over there, so. Viewer subscribe. Jahmiel a dangerous boy. Meds.
Tell them see me, you no see me. Make you let them ready for kill for me. And no pussy can't have talk for give me. My gun them a for me. See me, don't all you want, but me not take disrespect. I know some things said.
Viewer subscriber, you ever hear your grandparents them tell us say you must see and blind and hear and deaf? And them thing that Jahmiel a tell you. So Jahmiel a make you know say see me and don't see me, dog. Cause if you see me and go on like you want war with me, me got some gorilla will come kill you for me. And for me gun them a for me. So we don't have to go borrow gun for come kill you. We not have to drive up and down for come kill you, cause the dog don't tell us that we come and your ends come rub you out. Viewer subscriber, me say Jahmiel a dangerous boy. And when me tell you say that tune ya wicked, dog me mean it wicked. Meds.
Don't all you want. Run up your mouth all you want. Patriots.
Viewer subscriber, more no tell me in the comment section if Chronic Law can run up to this. If Chronic Law supposed to answer to this. Viewer subscriber, make me know when you think about this one here. Dead example, Jahmiel. But right now me say it's your boy Stola. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share, or press the bell icon for each time we upload. You're the first to get it. When I say nothing more, we out.